To quickly find all your favorite pictures and videos in Photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Then in here, you can see if you want to favorite a pictures, such as the watch right here, I can tap on the favorite icon. But then later on, when you want to quickly find where it is, what you have to do is go back to your Photos app, and then we scroll down. In here, go to the Utilities section and tap on Favorites folder. From here, it will only display your favorite photos. And that is how you can quickly find and locate all your favorite pictures in the Photos app. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.